Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, if you've been watching my US dollar yen videos, you probably are sitting in some really nice profit right now because this is going exactly as planned. I've been saying all week and probably a good part of last week that this is likely a wave A, that this is likely a wave B, and that we are likely going to go up to at least a 50 to 61% for a wave C. Looks like it's playing out perfectly. And we had a perfect 5 waves for the wave C of wave B. Nice break of structure, nice pullback. Oh, what a nice little pullback break of structure entry that was. More than likely, this is going to go up to at least that 50 to 61%. Now, which level is it going to turn out? I have no idea. But if I watch the market for a double top break of structure, whether it happens at the 50 or whether it happens at the 61%, I don't really care because when it happens, we should be able to recognize it as the end of a trend. If you can identify the end of a trend for the wave C, then you've also identified the end of the whole correction, and more than likely you have identified the continuation of the downtrend. And we have non-farm payroll tomorrow on Friday, so potentially that could produce a really nice short tomorrow at the non-farm payroll news. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.